Welcome to Gucema Tech Tutorials. On this brand new video we will show you how to block internet access for specific apps in Android. Before we start our video, if it is your first time to learn with us, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Procedures. 1. Download and install this simplest app known as netguard no root firewall. 2. Accept its terms and conditions. 3. Select the apps you want to block internet access by tapping on Wi-Fi and mobile data symbols to block both internet access sources. 4. Allow netguard to access your local VPN to filter internet traffic. 5. Disable battery optimization for netguard for consistent results. 'By completing the above settings, the selected apps will not access internet on your garget. To unblock the apps to regain access to internet, you open netguard app and tap on Wi-Fi and mobile data symbols to deselect. Thank you for learning with us. For any extra information, leave a comment under the comments section of this video. Let's meet on our next tutorial.